Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southern Hood County in north central Texas, Somervell County in north central Texas, east central Erath County in north central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 10 miles east-northeast of Stephenville, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and baseball-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over main littoral areas of southern Hood, Somervell, and east central Erath counties, including the following locations: Tiller. Repeat: a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Parker County in north central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, until 8 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gordon, or 21 miles east of Ranger, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Briar, Reno, Springtown, Gordon, Cool, Poolville, Mineral Wells State Park, Strun, Millsap, and Mingus. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 368 and 404. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Texas. A severe